This 19-year-old girl started this skincare business with less than 10,000 naira. So sometime last year, I got an email from someone here on YouTube that she have been watching my videos and she would like to start a skincare business. And being that she also watched one of my videos where I listed the skincare cosmetic businesses you can start with low capital, she chose to start with just a dozen of facial masks. And before I forget, she is a second-year student. And ever since then, it's been back to back with way bills. Like this right here is her second purchase in this month. And mind you, she does not only buy from me alone, she also buy from other vendors. So as I'm waving this one to her, other vendors are also waving others to her. So what am I trying to tell you? It's one thing to watch YouTube videos on how to make money, but it's another thing for you to implement. You can't make 50k, 100k to 1 million naira monthly if you just watch and save. Watch, learn, take the bull by the horn and implement what you have learned. Now, this year is coming to an end. Ask yourself, what have I really achieved from all the YouTube videos I've been watching since the beginning of this year? So I urge you to go watch my videos because they are realistic and beginner friendly. The first step into success is decision. Decide today to never stay comfortably broke, then act upon your decision.